Hey Sean, what are the 3 most important things to have in an Airbnb? Thanks. Anonymous. P.S. We are watching. Well, Mr. Anonymous, your answer is actually quite simple. The 3 things that you have to have in any Airbnb, first off, is a king bed whenever possible. And if you've watched our previous videos, the reason why is because even though you cannot yet search for it on the Airbnb platform, you can still put it in your title and your description, which is good for your SEO off of Airbnb, like if somebody's Google searching for a hotel. And that way you can advertise king bed, and if somebody's choosing between 2 Airbnb listings and yours says it as a king bed in the title, they'll probably choose yours because that's an awesome feature. And second, you're future-proofing yourself. When Airbnb finally does have a toggle to search for a place with a king bed, you'll be ready for it. Now second, because people are curious and it's a new cultural thing, it's not going to be the most important thing forever, but right now, Disney Plus. I will tell you that having Disney Plus, have a photo of it in your photo reel where you have your TV, show that you have a Disney Plus membership, and you'll get more bookings. And third, the most important thing is a comprehensive coffee station. Now you might ask, why do you need a comprehensive coffee station in your Airbnb, and why is that such an advantage? Well, if you do it right, it photographs well and it lets people know that you're a professional Airbnb host that doesn't miss any details. Now, as you can see, our coffee station not only has regular coffee, but has decaf coffee and tea. Did you know, Mr. Anonymous, that 1 out of every 3 travelers drinks either decaf or tea? And did you know that like 80+% of all Airbnb hosts don't have the option of decaf? I won't even start on tea. So what do you need to have a comprehensive coffee station? Well, as you can see here, you want a coffee maker. And I don't mean that Keurig, Fidel Castro, everybody gets the exact amount of coffee to make their cup with kind of coffee station. This is the freedom to pour however much coffee you would like into your coffee station kind of coffee station. See, that's the big difference between homes and hotels, right? In a hotel, you have to, I imagine that you do a lot of your hacker videos from a hotel room and you use a VPN. Well, in this case, if you're at a home, you don't have to deal with the package of coffee where you rip it open and you put the filter in this tray and then you pour the coffee into one single cup and you have to deal with that. No, you're at somebody's house. And in anybody's house, in anybody's real house, they have a real coffee maker that has a real amount of coffee, and you can pour it heavy, you can pour it light, you can do what you want. And we use, just because we want to be fancy, we use organic cane sugar. And we advertise that we do this. So this allows us to say that we care about our coffee station. And there is a restaurateur that used to mentor my mentor, and he told my mentor that the 3 most important parts of running a restaurant are customer service, lighting, and coffee. And he's not going to tell you in what order that is. And so I think he was implying that coffee, the quality of your coffee, is the 1 most important thing to run his luxury restaurants. Make sure you have Disney Plus, Go Mandalorian, Baby Yoda. I will also put my recommendations for king mattresses in the description, and I will collect everything you need for this wonderful and beautiful coffee station so you can put them in your homes as well. Thank you for watching Airbnb Automated. Yes, I know you're watching, and I'll see you on the other side.